alam mo naman, syempre bantay sarado tayo ngayon.
Sobrang safe tayo today.
Sobrang safe, sinabi mo pa. At syempre again, meron tayong mga special booth dyan. May mga pagkain, may mga merchandise, pwede kayong bumili.
I-appeal mo guys.
Kaya wala tayong ibang gagawin ngayong araw na to kung hindi i-celebrate ang buong Bataan Foundation Day.
Tama! Kaya naman ako, eto
Eto
na!
na, ang susunod na mag-perform sa atin. Ayan, established in 2022, this club mission is to enrich the community by sharing the power of the joy of dance, to inspire the audiences with the highest caliber of artistic excellence on stage, to empower students through superior dance education, and to broaden the reach of impact of dance through active community engagement. They aim to be celebrated globally as one of the premier companies in the world of dance.
Boka.
Eto na to. Ay, sandali. Sino naman itong mga to? Hello. Eto na. Coming from Abukay. Everyone, palakpakan naman natin. Cheer your hearts for Alamat Dance Club!
Kasaysayan